Collaborating, you could collaborate through short form videos. I mean, videos that are going viral, sounds that are going viral. You could use the sound and make a video. Through that process, I gained over 50 subscribers on this video. You could go check it out. All YouTubers, especially small YouTubers, please, I'm begging. We need to stop this. You know this comment I get. Small YouTubers gather here. It's on both ends. You know, I've talked about this in my previous video. You could go check that out. It's displaying somewhere, and I'll also put it in the description box. Connecting, I mean, not connecting the right way, which is going to a platform to go to that section of small YouTubers gather here. Connecting in that way could make you lose subscribers. And not only that, you could remain stagnant for a while. You could be stuck on your subscribers for a while. It's happening to me. I mean, my subscribers were going up. I came across a video that really touched me, and because she just rose to over 1,000 subscribers in a short while, and I went to the section where the YouTuber was really encouraging from what she said, connect and try to encourage others. So I went to connect with some of her subscribers, those that were commenting, and what happened? I lost significant amount of subscribers. I mean, instead of my subscribers going up, it was stuck and it was reducing. I was at 326 and my subscribers, instead of increasing, my subscribers reduced, and they reduced from 326 to 320. I mean, it kept reducing, and I was like, what have I done wrong? Why I'm making this video is because I value every one of my subscribers, and losing them, I'm just wondering, why am I losing them? I wasn't losing these subscribers until I got myself involved in that small YouTubers gather here. I'm not saying that could be wrong, but going about it, connecting with people in that angle is wrong. Rather, if you want to connect with someone, I would suggest watch the video of the YouTuber you want to connect with. Connect with them genuinely. Know that when they come up, you're going to watch them. There's this YouTuber I really, really appreciate. If you're watching this video, you deserve the kiss. Kiss from Jay. I mean, she's really inspiring. I know when she started from less than 200 subs, and today she's over 1,000. I'm really inspired by her. I mean, she's really inspiring because she doesn't just come across a video. For me, I've noticed from most of those that connect with me, she's one of the YouTubers. She's always coming back to my video, and not just coming back, she's commenting, she's contributing something, that is so much. That means so much. Thank you, Kiss from Jay. Thank you for supporting this girl, this family. I really appreciate you. And not just that, while I'm saying this, I also go to comment on her videos, not because I just want to comment, because her videos are really inspiring and I tell her what she's actually doing. I encourage her as well. So connecting in that way, I think, is 100% better. So if you're connecting with any YouTuber, or you're a new YouTuber coming across this video for the first time, listen, you gain one or two from this video. Don't underestimate this channel because it's not over 1,000 or up to 1,000 yet. You would definitely gain something from this video. Connecting through that process. If you've not watched the video from the beginning, I suggest you go back and watch and subscribe if you're not subscribed. Hit the button. It doesn't cost you anything. I'm not charging nothing. It's just supporting this channel to grow. So back to what I was saying. If you must connect with anybody, any YouTuber, watch their video, genuinely go to the channel, subscribe, comment, share. I mean, for me, that is 100% better. All YouTubers must stop going to just comment on big YouTubers' channel. I know they are encouraging small YouTubers to come on, also encouraging engagement on their channel. But the best way to connect, don't just go to those channel and you connect people and they say done waiting and all those kind of connection is going to ruin your channel. I bet you it's going to ruin your channel. I've been stuck on 324 for a while. As at the time of making this video, I've been stuck on 324 subscribers for the past 2 days, and which is unusual. I usually get at least one subscriber coming into my channel, but after connecting in that way, I've discussed on this video. If you've not watched, you can go back and watch the video. After connecting in that way, you see that I'm stuck. So the only way to undo this is to stop connecting in that way. For me, that is what I would do. I've mentioned earlier, I made a video with regards to this issue. The title of video I made was on is YouTube on easy mode. Go, you could get some really interesting nuggets on that video, especially if you're new as a YouTuber. I know this year 2025, most YouTubers will be coming up to put out videos, not just encouraging videos, especially those that are new on this space. They'll be pushing out videos, and you don't want to push out videos and remain stuck with subscribers. So connect with subscribers the right way, and you will grow, and your community will grow. Again, if you notice that your channel is not growing, watch videos that could encourage more views, more engagement. I've made those videos and I'll be putting those videos in the description box. You could go check them out. That could encourage more views and growth. And also, this video, stop connecting the wrong way, connect the right way. I mean, when I started out as a YouTuber, I'll always go watch channels that will say, come and gain watch hours, come and gain subscribers in less than 1 day, in less than 2 days, gain over 1,000 subscribers. I'll always go watch such channels and I'll be so discouraged when I'm not getting subscribers. So please remain consistent, connect the right way. Those are the two nuggets I'll be dropping on this video. Remain consistent, connect the right way, and you will grow. I promise you. Again, another thing that could help with subscribers genuinely pushing out short form videos. Not just pushing out short form videos, also connecting short form videos with the long form video so as to gain more views and definitely more subscribers. The more views you get, the more subscribers you have. I know on this my channel I have over 25,000 views. Because when I go look at some YouTubers, they have more subscribers than myself, but then they have low views. I'm talking of really low views, less than 10,000 views, less than 8,000 views, you know. So if you're connecting the right way, if you're doing it the right way, it will encourage more views. And definitely, if you're having more views, you will get more subscribers. Again, collaborating. Because I used to think when you collaborate, you have to come out live with another YouTuber. You guys have to like do a video together. Collaborating, you could collaborate through short form videos. I mean, videos that are going viral. sounds that are going viral. You could use the sound and make a video. Through that process, I gained over 50 subscribers on this video. Small YouTubers gather here. Small YouTubers don't gather here. My God, you guys, please take it easy. We are in the new year, so we have to start doing things the right way. I've made videos on how to avoid burnout. That was the first video I made for this new year. You could go check it out. And don't be discouraged. Don't give up. Don't look at YouTubers that are coming to tell you that you can gain over 4,000 watch hours in less than a week. Don't look at those YouTubers commenting, going live stream, restreaming, and all those facts. I'm not saying that they're wrong. What I'm saying is that if you keep watching such videos, you get frustrated, especially when your video is not going viral, when your video is not trending, when you're getting less than the expected views. I hope this video has brought some value to your table. If it has, drop your comment in the comment section and see you in my next video. Before you go, ensure to watch the video coming up. I've also put some videos with regards to getting more views as well as subscribers. See you in my next video. Love you guys and bye for now. Bye bye. Ciao, ciao. Bye.